What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but you know, this winter was nasty and cold, but we are back to business, ready for new adventures with Suzuki sv650. And today we are going to talk about one of the most asked questions in the internet: the engine sound, the exhaust. Does this thing need an extra pipe, an aftermarket pipe, or it sounds well the way it is already? So let's find it out. Let's start the engine on. Bike is in neutral. So this is the engine sound. Let's rev it. Now I leave the answer to the question to you, but in my opinion, in my humble opinion, this thing doesn't need any extra pipe, any aftermarket pipe, because it really sounds very well. On the contrary, other bikes in the same category, like the MT-07, they don't really sound, they're silent. So this thing is pretty good as it is. Plus the exhaust, it's also nice because, you know, it's shiny, it's pretty big, you know. So I don't know, I don't even like extra, aftermarket pipes for this bike, but you know, you might have different opinions. That said, now we're gonna go for a quick spin. I'm gonna give you my thoughts about the bike. It's been now 1 year and a half of ownership, so I'm gonna give you some pros and some cons about this bike. So let's jump into it. So let's start with one thing I really like about this bike. This one thing is the way it looks, the design. It's really amazing, it's stunning. Every time you take this bike out of your garage, it just puts you a smile on your face, and you didn't even ride it yet. Another pros of this bike is the engine. So the engine is really happy. What do I mean for that? I mean this. You see? It revs very quickly and it's really fun to drive, especially from 6,000 to 8,000 RPM. The engine is really smooth and happy, and you know. Thank you. Did you see the guy? He said nice bike. And that's exactly what I meant. This thing looks stunning. Now we can do some acceleration test. What do you guys think? So, as we said, design, the way this thing looks, and the engine are true pros. About the cons: brakes, front brakes, they are really spongy. So don't get me wrong, the bike has enough stop power. There are, I think, 4 piston calipers on the front, which is more than enough for this bike and this engine, this power. It's just the feeling, the brake feeling is not, I don't know. It should react more quickly. Honestly, it's a bit spongy, so you really need to pull this clutch. One more is the seat. So the seat is really uncomfortable. If you ride this thing for more than 1 hour, your bum is gonna hurt. See if this guy goes left or not. He does. He does. Oh, another one. That's exactly why I love motorbikes and I don't love cars. I mean, I do love cars, but not in town. It's a freaking mess, this city. It's really bad. It's like war when you're out here. Look, left, right, left. You don't know where people want to go. Whoa, look how many cars. How many cars, man. Unbelievable. Of course, it's a beautiful day. And in Ireland, you don't live the day, you live the moment. If it's sunny, just go, because in 1 hour you don't know what's gonna happen. It could be lashing rain, could be snow, could be hailstones, could be earthquake, could be anything. So live the moment, carpe diem in Ireland, always.